If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in PUBG, follow these steps to help resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or their social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your platform, Steam, console, etc., and install any available patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can resolve matchmaking issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can help resolve persistent issues by ensuring you have a fresh installation of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.